Definitions of corporate social responsibilities. World Business Council for Sustainable Development in 1999 defined corporate social responsibility as the continuing commitment by business to behave ethically and contribute to economic development while improving the quality of life of the workforce and their families, as well as the local community and society at large. तो बेसिकली जो कारपोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है क्या, ये कंटिन्यू कमिटमेंट है किसकी तरफ से, बिजनेस की तरफ से, कि वो एथिकली बिहेव करे और इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में क्या करे, कंट्रीब्यूट करे। अब इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट किसकी, कंट्री की इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में अपनी कंट्रीब्यूशन करे, साथ साथ क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को भी इंप्रूव करे। किसकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, जो वर्क फोर्स है उसकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, उनकी जो फैमिलीज हैं उनकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, और साथ साथ जो लोकल कम्युनिटी है उसकी जो है ना क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, और जो सोसाइटी है उसकी जो है ना क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को इम्प्रूव करे। अब जो वर्क फोर्स है और उसकी फैमिलीज, ये तो डायरेक्ट जो है ना वो स्टेक होल्डर्स होते हैं आपके जो है ना किसी भी बिजनेस के। लेकिन जो लोकल कम्युनिटी है और सोसाइटी है, जिनको आप प्रोडक्ट जो है जो आपके कस्टमर्स हैं वो भी इनसे बिलोंग कर रहे होते हैं, बाकी तमाम स्टेक होल्डर्स भी इनसे सोसाइटी से ही बिलोंग कर रही होती है। तो आप उनको क्वालिटी की प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हो। आप जो है ना जब उनकी जो है ना जो भी इन्वायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए काम करते हो, जो है ना एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली जो है ना वो वर्क हो रहा होता है, तो ये तमाम की तमाम जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है ये किसकी है, किसी भी जो बिजनेस है उसकी कंट्रीब्यूशन है। और ये कंटिन्यू कमिटमेंट है बिजनेस की तरफ से कि वो एथिकली बिहेव करे, और ये तमाम की तमाम जो उसके स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं बिजनेस के, उनकी जो है ना वो क्या करेगी, उसकी जो है ना उसकी तरफ उनकी जो है ना कंट्रीब्यूशन हो। वर्ल्ड बैंक ने 2008 में कारपोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को डिफाइन किया, सीएसआर इज द कमिटमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू सस्टेनेबल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, working with employees, their families, the local community and society at large to improve the quality of life in ways that are both good for business and good for development. CSR is a commitment to improve community well-being through discretionary business practices and contributions of corporate resources. According to European Union, the voluntary integration of companies' social and ecological concerns into their business activities and their relationship with their stakeholders, being socially responsible means not only full satisfying the applicable legal obligations but also going beyond and investing more in human capital, the environment and stakeholder relations. According to ISO 2600, the corporate social responsibilities are the responsibility of an organization for the impact of its decisions and activities on society and the environment, resulting in ethical behavior and transparency which contributes to sustainable development, including the health and well-being of society, takes into account the expectations of stakeholders, complies with current laws, and is consistent with international standards of behavior, and is integrated throughout the organization and implemented in its relation. तो जितने भी definitions हैं सारी की सारी emphasize कर रही हैं कोई भी जो business है उसकी contribution, उसकी ethical practices, और उसकी contribution क्या, economic development में contribution, जो उसके stakeholders हैं, जितने भी stakeholders हैं उनकी तरफ उसकी जो भी contributions हैं, उनकी लाइफ की क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करना, साथ जो है क्वालिटी की प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड करना, ये तमाम का तमाम जो है ना कारपोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में आता है। अब हम ये देखते हैं कि जो कारपोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये है क्या। कारपोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज एन extended model of corporate governance based on the fiduciary duties owed to all the firm's shareholders. Corporate social responsibility is a self-regulating business model that helps a company to socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders, and the public. By practicing corporate social responsibility, also called corporate citizenship, companies can be conscious of the kind of impact they are having on all aspects of society, including economic, social, and environmental. To engage in corporate social responsibility means that in the ordinary course of business, a company is operating in ways that enhance society and the environment instead of contributing negatively to them. Corporate social responsibility is a broad concept that can take many forms depending on the company and industry. Through corporate social responsibility programs, philanthropy, and volunteer efforts, businesses can benefit society while boosting their brands. As important as corporate social responsibilities for the community, it is equally valuable for a company. CSR activities can help forge a stronger bond between employees and corporations, boost morale, and help both employees and employers feel more connected with the world around them. CSR is about how companies manage the business processes to produce an overall positive impact on the society. CSR is the responsibility of corporations to go above and beyond what the law requires them to do. CSR is the responsibility of corporations to contribute to a better society and cleaner environment. For a company to be socially responsible, it first need to be accountable to itself and its shareholders. Often companies that adopt CSR programs have grown their business to the point where they can give back to society. Thus, CSR is primarily a strategy of large corporations. Also, the more visible and successful a corporation is, the more responsibility it has to set standards of ethical behavior for its peers, competitions, and industry. Small and mid-sized businesses also create social responsibility programs, although their initiatives are not often as well publicized as larger corporations.